So what is the best way to sketch out your design on a really big wall and a tall wall, making sure that your lines are really consistent and straight and not wobbly? I'm going to show you how I built this tool to help me out when I was designing this piece right here on this really tall tower. And this DIY tool allowed me to create really long strokes, making my lines more consistent and more straight, not wobbly. And you have to do that by standing farther away from the wall. And that is why I used an extension pole. So these are usually used with your paint rollers. You can just take that attachment at the end. It's basically held in by a screw, but you can take that out and replace that with a paintbrush. So I got this paintbrush, it's a wooden one. It didn't fit at first, but you can just take an X-Acto knife or a box cutter and sort of whittle away at the wooden part of that brush. And if it's plastic, you can probably do the same thing with a sander, but you just keep whittling away until it fits, and then you just replace that screw into the extension pole. That way the brush is in there tight and won't move around, and now you have yourself a really long brush. So like I said, the extension pole is basically how long your brush can be. The extension pole I had goes from 5 feet to about 16 feet, and that's basically what I did. I just watered down the paint that I was using and dipped this brush into that sort of solution and basically just sketched out the lines on this prime brick as I was just going up and up and up with the boom lift, and that is basically how I got those lines. So that's a way of sort of being able to step back and create those really nice strokes, those clean strokes, those consistent strokes with this DIY tool. So hopefully you'll like this tip, and I will see you guys next time. Peace.